Welcome to Mac 2311 for Engineers, Exam 4, problem number 1. In this question, they go ahead and they just present you with the simple antiderivative. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and integrate it from 0 to 1. It's a definite integral. So right now, we don't know too many techniques for integrating, but we definitely know the reverse of the power rule. We know that we need to go ahead and if it's just going to be a variable to a power, you can increase that by 1 and then bring it down to the bottom. So if we could somehow rearrange this into a cleaner format, then we could go ahead and just do a series of little reverse power rules. So what we can do, though, is we can just FOIL this out. Because we know how to integrate 1, and we know how to integrate 2 times, this is actually t to the 1/2 power. So if we FOIL this out, then we'll go ahead and get a few more terms, but they'll all just be t to some power, and we can integrate those individually. So what we could do is we could say this is really 3 times, and when you FOIL this out, you get 1 plus 4 times t to the 1/2 power plus 4t. Because 2, and this is t to the 1/2 power, times 1 gives you 2 of those, and then 1 times this gives you another 2. So that's how you get 4 of these guys. And then finally, when you go ahead and do the last, you go this times this, which 2 times 2 is 4, and then t to the 1/2 times t to the 1/2 just gives you a t. And then you go ahead and you have this 3 floating around outside. You can pull it outside the integral, so we can go ahead and just say the integral right there. And then you just have this dt floating at the end. So now if you want to integrate this, you know that 1 just becomes t. You know this, you have to increase by 1, so that becomes a 3/2 power, and you have to bring it down. So if you divide by 3/2, that's the same thing as multiplying by 2/3. So that's going to go ahead and give you 8/3 t to the 3/2 power. And then finally, this is going to be plus 2t squared, because this increases by 1 to be t squared, and you divide by 2, and 4 divided by 2 gives you a 2. And then you can go ahead and distribute this 3 if you want to. I'm doing that now just because I see that we're going to be dividing by 3, so I'll make it a little bit easier on us. So this becomes a 3, that cancels that 3 out, and then this becomes a 6 now. And then we still need to evaluate from 0 to 1. The dt goes away in the integration process. So right now we want to go ahead and evaluate what this is. And it's always top minus bottom. So you plug the 1 into this, so you get 3 plus 8 plus 6, then minus, and then when you plug the 0 in, these all go to 0, so it's just minus 0. And then 3 plus 8 plus 6 is just going to be 17. So that's going to be answer choice B. And that's all there is to it.